Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just finished off this fall look. I did my hair and I did my eye makeup. But if you like what you see, enjoy it and welcome to my channel. Fall colors. So let's get right into it. Using my Huda Beauty foundation. I have a song stuck in my head. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. Ariana Grande. Okay. There's that. Then, so I'd already done my eyebrows and concealed them, so I don't have to do that. We're gonna do orange soda. I haven't had an orange soda in forever. Should get one of those. Put a little vodka in it. Little pop orange. Little soda pop. All right, so I just went and I applied my lashes. Now I'm going to bronze my face in my butter bronzer because it's the best ever. Going to bake my face. Best stuff ever. Gotta get it because I'm telling you, you ain't gonna not like it. You ain't gonna hate it. There, bake my face. So then I'm gonna do chapstick. Get my lips going. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. You is glamming. Glamming. All right, so I just wanted to tell you what kind of colors I used on my eyes because I was just so focused on doing it and just showing you how I was doing it. So I didn't really explain much, but I used my Soft Glam palette mostly. I used these 3 colors: Orange Soda, this is Burnt Orange, Sienna, Rustic is on my lower lash line, and then I went in and I used Sultry. Just kidding, no I didn't. I just had them all out here. From my Huda Beauty. I used this henna, and then I used Man Eater for the red pop on the outside of my corners, and then in the center, the gold, I used 24K because you know we just be shining like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Give it a little foliage, whatever, same thing. But yeah. So I think we're done baking because I don't like to, I mean, it's just taken for way too long. Glam up. Look at this, rocking out. Just be a little extra, you know. Bam. You know? like it. I like it a lot. It's cute. Okay. Let's keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. I just decided I wanted to do a fall look today. So I put some yellows and reds and oranges into my eyes. And then I went and did my hair and finished off the look. So if you like